Hey, what's up you guys, this is Bhavish and I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Kingston A400 SSD. So here I have the 120GB variant, and this is the most cheapest option of an SSD you will find. It's 4,900 rupees on Flipkart right now. So I ordered this because my HDD was dying and I really needed an SSD because it makes my life much easier, because it boots up really quickly and applications load up much faster than an HDD. So what makes it different is that it has flash drives inside the Kingston drive, and HDDs have disks inside them with magnets which work together to read and write your data. And this is of SATA 3.0 and it supports SATA 2.0 backward compatibility as well. So I'm going to be doing that. In my case, I'm going to be putting it into my old PC with SATA 2.0 connection. And the MRP on the box itself is 5,500 rupees, and this product is made in Taiwan. So I really like the brand Kingston, so I ordered Kingston one because Samsung's and other ones for 4,500 to 5,000 rupees for just for 240GB variant. And I really didn't want that much because I wanted to have this as a boot drive itself. So let's just take this out of the packet itself, and with the packet itself it really feels really light. Once I open it, let's just see how light it actually is. So it's really light right now and I can't believe it's super damn light. I felt like as if there was nothing on the inside and I was scammed, but it actually works and it's totally fine, and it's really light. It just weighs like my 4GB variant of an flash pen drive, and this is just crazy light. And there's the Kingston logo itself and the Kingston branding, and there are some 4 screws to open it up, and at the back there is some details given, whereas 120GB storage, and there are the ports. That's the power for SATA and SATA cable. These are the norm stuff. And in the next video I'm going to be talking about the comparison between SSD and an HDD, and I'm going to be doing the boot up and programs opening and other things in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye now.